This is the paragraph which is very important, para 4 padhe.
It is also unanimously proposed that the code of conduct of the judges of the superior judiciary and district judiciary may be amended, and there should be a complete ban on the meetings of the judges with the members of the agencies, save in the cases of close blood relationships. It should be made mandatory for every judicial officer to immediately disclose to the district and sessions judge, the Chief Justice of the High Court, and to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan if any attempt is made to interfere in his judicial work. A permanent cell may be constituted at the High Court and the Supreme Court level to process such reports, complaints, and their decisions in accordance with the law. 5. The agencies, individuals involved in phone tapping.
Because in Balochistan, the lower judiciary did not have a code of conduct. Does the Lahore judiciary have it?
I think
High
they are
Court rules and orders
proposing.
में there is a conduct for district judiciary. जी, High Court
Rules and orders, Lahore High Court का मंगवाएं.
code of conduct है district judiciary का पता नहीं. I think that's been adopted by some of the other high courts. You can read para 5.
Para 5. The agencies individuals involved in phone tapping or audio video recording, etc. of the judges and their families be identified and proceeded against in accordance with the law. 6. If a judge of the High Court or district judiciary is approached, intimidated or blackmailed by any member of the state agencies executive, then the said judge, apart from taking initiating other legal proceedings against the responsible person, may also initiate contempt proceedings against him, them, or he may proceed in the matter as envisaged under Section 228 PPC as the case may be. 7. The Chief Justice, the District and Sessions judge and the judge himself should immediately try to secure the CCTV camera recordings, phone recordings or other evidence which can be secured through modern devices, etc. in case any attempt or interference in the independence of judiciary is made by the executive agencies. 8. There always remain more chances of interference in ATC, NAB and anti-corruption courts where sensitive matters are decided. Therefore, the High Court should be empowered to directly make transfer posting of the judges of the said court without the approval interference of the federal provincial government, and relevant provisions of law in this respect be directed to be amended accordingly.
Our High Court also says about interference.
Yeah.
There is interference.
If the relevant judge of the High Court or the district judiciary himself does not initiate contempt or other legal proceedings, in that case he may report the incident with full details to the Chief Justice or the district and sessions judge as the case may be. On receipt of the report from a judge of the High Court, the Chief Justice shall constitute a suitable bench comprising of at least 5 senior judges of the court to hear and decide the said case. In the case of incident reported by a judge of the High Court, the matter shall also be brought into the notice of the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, who may also take proper action on the said complaint if deemed necessary, provided the cognizance of the matter has already not been taken by the concerned judge himself or the High Court. Likewise, on receipt of report from a judge of the district judiciary, the district and sessions judge, apart from taking any other legal action, shall proceed in the matter as envisaged under Section 228 PPC. He shall also report the matter to the Chief Justice of the High Court. Same procedure shall be adopted by the judges of special courts, ex-cadre courts. 10. Presumption of truth shall be attached to the complaint affidavit of a judge. Moreover, as envisaged under Section 17(3) of the Contempt of Court Ordinance 2003, the complainant supported by the affidavit of the judge shall not be liable to be cross-examined by any party to the case. 11. If a complaint is made by the judge of the High Court or the district judiciary on the above-mentioned issue, then it shall be ensured that the complainant is not unjustly victimized, as it happened in some cases in the recent past. 12. The burden to establish that the allegations leveled in the complaint of a judge were not true shall be on the respondent of the case, within brackets, executive oblique state.
Next para is important.
Next. 13. Large majority of the judges present in the meeting also observed with great concern that the interference of agencies executive in the independence of judiciary is an open secret, and the earlier judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan to prevent the said interference have proved to be ineffective. Therefore, the judges of this court expect that the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, in its final judgment in Su Moto case number 1 of 2024, 4 may give a comprehensive mechanism to deal with the matters mentioned in paragraph number 13 of
Attorney
order.
General, is, to my mind, the essence of the Lahore High Court submission that this is an open secret that the independence of judiciary is being violated, and also that they now look up to this court to devise a mechanism because the earlier judgments have proved ineffective.